I'm in town, I get a notion that we both walk the same ground. Been traveling all over, searching far and away for a sign to lead me straight. We walk together.
I don't know the color of lipstick I should use. And guys, I'm color blinded where I am right now because everything is just looking different. But I'm just gonna try use this. I don't know what the guys think. So guys, it was intentional. Me not posting was intentional. I just went that time off social media where I can just focus on God alone, like try to hear from Him, pray and all of that, and that was what I did. And it's so good, like guys, it refreshes, like it's so good. Like I wish life can just be like that, so quiet, just you and your God and all of that. I really enjoyed that, guys. I really enjoyed it. So it was intentional, and thanks to everyone that checked up on me. Your girl is doing quite alright. I'm doing fine. I don't know what I'm doing with this makeup, guys. I don't know where I'm going with it. I think I'm fine. I'll just put gloss. That's the only thing. That's what helps us. So guys, I'm just going to be going out shortly. Immediately I finish this makeup, let's go and take pictures. Just one picture. I'm taking with this dress because I don't have so much time. I have other things to do today. So, and I didn't really plan it, so it's not a day whereby I want to take pictures and, what am I saying? It's not a day whereby I want to change. Then also, this is my first time of trying to go out and take pictures myself. So let me not overdo, like carry too many things. Let me not overdo, like carry too many things. Let me just go like this and see what it looks like and see what we can get from it. So this mascara, oh my god, it's not dry. This mascara, this is white. It's like a base for your mascara. It helps brush out your lashes before you apply the real one. It's from MAC. It dries up so easily, so you have to be fast with it. And ensure that when you have to finish with one side before going to the other side. I think I need a makeup remover. I used this yesterday and I feel I still have it on my lashes. I was actually covering my face. Sorry guys.
Think about me one more time before you go. Someday you'll know. Someday you'll know. You know what I'm going to say. I've been feeling this way for far too long.
Kept me away from all of my
I'm back home from going to take my pictures, and it was nice. I didn't know it was that simple, and thank God I tried it out and it was nice. Though it wasn't easy. I didn't show you guys the location I actually wanted to take the picture. I got there and I was shy because there's very beautiful park around the area and there were a lot of people around there. I got there, I was like, Jesus, I just had to turn back home. I was really shy, and I just came around very close to the house. I took that one there. So guys, I'm back home now. I'm just making breakfast for these kids. These kids have suffered from my aunt today, and I want to get food from my freezer. Like I said earlier, yesterday, that we'll be grilling today. I don't even know what to do. I know I have plantain. I know my kids want corn, but we don't have corn, and I don't think I want to go out to buy any other thing. But if I think there is need for that, I'll go buy corn. So we'll probably be doing roasted plantain bolly. I wanted to cook jollof rice as well, but Obi is indifferent, but he feels the kids want rice, and plain rice. He said that's what they've been really eating these days. So I think I've choked those kids with jollof rice. So I don't know what to bring out. We have, I don't know, my daughter wants turkey, and my daughter wants turkey. This is my freezer. My daughter wants turkey. I have old chicken, but I know I can't do this one today. So let me just put this down and look for what to bring out. I'll show you guys what I'll be bringing out. Probably chicken or turkey or fish. I don't know. Even me, I'm not hungry. But let me just check what I have in the freezer. I found catfish. So I'm just gonna throw this right now into the sink. And I found these turkey wings. I'm sure this is turkey. Agege wants turkey, so I just brought that out. And I found a bag of, I don't know what this is, if this is a chicken or turkey. So I'm just going to defrost everything right now. Just run hot water into it. So guys, to marinate, I'm going to be using the rainbow peppers. So I have the orange, the yellow, the red, and the green. And I have 2 bulbs of onions and spicy pepper. And I have my turkey. The turkey wings is been washed already. And this is actually chicken. The other one I said I found in the freezer. So I washed it already. Oh my God. And my catfish has been washed and also did some incision so that the marinade will go into it very well. And that's that. And for my spices, I'm going to be using, let me put it back a bit, push it back a bit. I love this seasoning Maggi. Normally it's for veggies and fish, but I'm going to be using it. I'm going to be using everything together. So I'm going to be using this and giant, what am I saying? And black pepper as well. This is my black pepper and Italian season. I'm just going to use a little bit of this Italian season. I don't think this is focusing at all, but I'm sure you guys can hear me. And I'll be using my curry. This is curry from Nigeria, and that's why it's in a different jar. I like the taste from the smell, the aroma from the curry from Nigeria. And I'll be using my thyme. This is thyme from Nigeria as well. I like using these ones. And also I'll be using this cajun. It's a mixture of pepper, onions, and all of that. I'm just going to be using just a little bit of seasoning. So I'll be using a bit of this as well. And one thing is missing. I'll be using seasoning powder as well. I won't be adding salt because these two have salt. So I don't want it to be salty. So I'll be adding seasoning powder instead of salt. guys, I just got upstairs now. The weather is so hot. I feel like jumping into the pool right now, and I can see that my makeup is smearing already. Like the Mary and the K, they've separated. Mary has gone this way and K has gone this other way. I'm so hot. The weather is really hot. I don't know. I'm not even going to go out to start grilling now. I'll just wait till maybe in the evening. And I need to get another tripod. I mentioned it in my previous vlog. Is it my previous vlog? I mentioned it yesterday, so that should be in my previous vlog, that my tripod is bad, and today it completely removed. It's supposed to be 3, so I'm sure you guys can see those holes. The one I'm using right now is just 1, so that means I can't place it anywhere. I always have to hold it. But with this, I could place it somewhere, like just drop it. So that means I need this one urgently, and I'm not planning to buy it from Amazon because I've bought several ones, and I don't know why they don't last. So I'll probably just walk into Best Buy, because the one I'm holding right now was from Best Buy, and it's very durable, very okay, just a bit pricey. So I don't mind. I just wanted to update you guys. I need to take a bit of rest now. Then I'll see you guys when I'm about to start grilling.
City of mine, how I love the city of mine. It never gets me down. City of mine, how I love the city of mine. It never gets me down, yeah.
I was born in the city, I was raised on its edges. My pop worked his life on its complex. I found love in its center. If I could live here forever, think it'd be for the better. I love the weather, even though it's fog 24/7. I love the people, this is city. I met all my best friends, and I wanna thank every brick. I wanna thank every entrance to every building that I step in this city of mine. I owe you most my best moments in life. See, I fell in love for the first time in Golden Gate Park. I saw my first rap show at Great American Hall. I used to beg my homies for a ride across the bridge to goof off and spend the whole damn day doing whatever we want. Keith drove us down to Ice Place while we'd roll up a blunt, and me and Jack would get stoned, walk around and get lost. Don't think I'll ever truly pay back all I was lucky to get just by walking through the city. No, I'm a small part of this.
City of mine, how I love this city of mine. It never gets me down. City of mine, how I love this city of mine. It never gets me down.
I never really had a place to call my own, so I travel and I roam till I find that. But I'm full of adventure, so I wander and I venture, and it's safe to say that really I don't mind that. I book a flight to try to figure where my mind's at, a spot where I don't spend no money, just some time at. I mix and mingle with the people till I learn a little. I brought some weed and baby, maybe we could burn a little. She said you're funny, I said no, I'm Xavier, then I left. Sun shining, birds chirping, let me take a breath. I'm headed to the city where my chance to make it best. What people like to give a little, then you take the rest. I'm hoping one day maybe I can find a place to rest. I fell in love with life and wonder where it take me next. I like the hustle and bustle, I fell in love with the fashion. I feel the pulse of the city, it's moving me like a passion, and it's mine.
Hometown, baby, we go way back. All the situations, circumstances, still we don't mind. Steady going on, I dance around the street lights. Hey, I know every street sign, hanging around the block. Like if you are my friend, then you are welcome any moment.